welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. May mga chemistry talagang tinatawag, ano? They're so perfect. Look at them. Marami kang sasagutin, Julia at Joshua. Okay, have a seat na. Okay, this time, I think we are ready to answer the questions na po. Helping me, ito lang naman ako, Justin from Corporate Communications. Who will start? Ito lang po ang request. Ayun pala, sorry, I'm missing something. We'd like to hear from the writers, Miss Kuka and Miss Crystal. Greet our friends.
Hello po, good evening. Thank you for coming. Sana mag-enjoy tayo tonight.
Okay, thank you, Miss Crystal. Miss Kuka!
Hello, thanks for coming and for joining us. Even though sa mga nanonood, thank you for tuning in.
Yes, worldwide tayo napapanood na. Bianca!
Hello po everyone! Nice to see you all. Maraming salamat po sa oras niyo. Let's have fun tonight.
May alak na para mag-fun. Joke! Pagalitan ako. Bawang ng pagalitan ako. And of course, ito nakatabi ko na. Kasi people are raving about you. The promo people, mother, she's from PETA, she's really good. Mayan Espinosa.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Marhay na banggi. Ay, Thank you so much for coming to support and happy for you.
Yeah, thank you, syempre, for being part of this beautiful project. Gulat-gulatan na naman. Bong Gonzales!
Yes, hello po. Good evening. Good evening to our distinguished panel of judges.
Wow!
Thank you po.
Umarte ka pala. Kala ko nag-influence ka lang.
Yes, it's such an honor and a responsibility to be here. Thank you so much.
Perfect ka nga dun sa role mo. Tailor-made. Thank you, Bong. Kilig ako sa batang to. Aljon Mendoza!
Hello po. Sa lahat na nandito, thank you sa press, thank you sa lahat ng supporters. Sa Team Bahay, maraming salamat.
Alright, syempre. Thank you, Aljon. Ito na yung favorite ko talaga. Bukod sa kaibigan ko yung parents niya. Kyla Estrada.
Hello, good evening everybody. Thank you so much for being here. It's so nice to see familiar faces, of course, from the press. So thank you for joining us tonight. And ayun, sana mag-enjoy lang tayo.
Oo naman.
And thank you so much.
I will make sure mag-enjoy naman kasi ang dami, ang gaganda ng mga tanong na namaya later. Di lang tayo sa cargo. Richardson, ikaw na yata ang bagong pandemic blockbuster director. For the last 3 years, you've been dominating the movie, di ba?
Thank you po to Star, syempre. But for tonight, good evening po sa ating mga supporters, sa press, who will of course help us to spread the word about our film. Salamat po for the time.
Ito na, as if they never separated, dun sa portrayal nila, parang sila. Pero hindi, alam naman natin yun. Please welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. Please! First time nakita sila together bukod sa mall show.
Ikaw na yung last. Save the best for last.
Mauna na ako, sabi ko sana save the best for last.
Hindi, ikaw. Okay. Sige.
Ako na muna. Ayaw magpatalo.
Sabay na lang tayo. Okay. Hello po, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat. Yes, of course. Thank you sa ating mga press sa pagpunta, sa pagbigay ng oras ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng supporters namin ni Julia, nila Aljon, nila Kyla, nila Bong, kay si Ate Mean, maraming salamat kasi simula umpisa na dyan kayo, hanggang dito hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong Cebu, may Jensen. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Ayun, same. Akala ko ba sabay na lang? Ayun, same lang naman. This is a very special and meaningful night. Hindi namin nakalain na... Okay. Hindi namin akalain. Hindi... Sobrang excited ko. Hindi ko na mabuo yung word. Hindi po namin inakala na... diba, finally makakagawa tayo ng... Ulit.
I know.
So, this is really a very special one. But thank you for joining us. And we'd like to just give a shout out syempre kasi sobrang laking parte din po nila Kuya Ketchup at saka nila Tita Noni dito sa pelikula na to. So if you guys are watching, we're missing you and we wish you guys were here. Okay, guys, let's have fun. Be kind. Thanks.
Okay, before I give the microphone to Justin and Corpcom, I'd like to, the first question siyempre, importante ito, for Josh Leah. Mukhang masasakit ang mga eksena. How was the experience working together in a film at meron bang mga eksena na hinugutan niyo ang past experiences niyo while filming? Are you that, ganun bang actors kayo? Hugot sa past experiences?
Sige ako na. Okay. Hindi may iwasan. Hindi may iwasan ang humugot sa past. But I think bilang aktor, nasa sa'yo na rin yan kung paano mo siya babawasan man yung nararamdaman mo. Just to protect yourself lang din. Dun sa pain na naramdaman mo. Kung baga kailangan mong humugot.
Grabe yung pain mo sa trailer pa lang. Parang sobrang pained ka. Okay.
Ayun, parang gano'n.
Julie, ikaw ba are you the type of actress who makes hugot sa experiences? Who makes hugot?
I don't know, I think ayoko naman i-spoil masyado yung naging process namin. Josh, kasi it's such an intimate one and na kami lang talaga magkakaintindihan habang ginagawa namin to. But siguro ginawa naming inspiration mas lalo yung happy memories namin. Kasi sa pelikulang to, matatrack din natin yung sa nakita nyo naman, mapapanood nyo yung naging journey ni Zai and ni Juancho. And you know, I was really looking forward to coming together to make this film and recreate those happy memories that we really built so much in the past.
Katalino mo daw, sarap mong pakinggan. Barreto.
Thank you.
Of course, the question is for yung matatapang nating writer na kung paano nila to nagawa at makonvince na napagwagian ng Viva at Star Cinema, mapagsama sila together. Alam ko maraming offers na they want together, pero Star Cinema and Viva ang nakabuo. What made you write this type of story though, Miss Kukay and Miss Crystal?
Of course, we are joined by one of our co-writers also, si Jen, who's not here with us, and si Simon, yung isa sa mga bumuo ng story with us. Siguro, when we were just thinking of the project, talaga nag-iisip lang kami kung ano kaya magandang, kasi it's been a while since we had a love story for Star Cinema. And iniisip lang talaga namin, ano kaya yung generation ngayon, paano kaya sila magmahal? Ano rin kaya yung mga mag-stop sa kanila, ano yung mga binibitbit nila when coming into a relationship, ano yung mga factors na iniisip nila kung dapat ba magtatagal or hindi ang isang relasyon. Siguro isa rin yan sa mga naging inspiration namin while writing the story. And to be honest, it's been parang before the pandemic pa, gusto na talaga namin gumawa ng Joshua and Julia film. Pero hindi natutuloy.
True.
Pero we were so grateful that they both agreed to do this project. And we're here now. Na-inspired din kami actually sa Paubaya, the music video. When we watched it, parang it was just so real for the two of them. And yun, gusto lang namin ikwento kung paano na ba din magmahal yung generation ngayon, di ba? Kung parang paano na sila, do they really hold on? Kasi di ba yung previous generation parang matiisin masyado in the relationship. So I don't know if na-try namin na makwento kung paano yung si Zai and si Juancho magmahal.
I'm sorry, the characters are Zai?
Zai and Juancho.
Juancho.
Tanya, you wanna add to?
Ayun, Miss Crystal.
Hello po. Siguro when we were also, nung binubuo namin din yung story, we were looking for a very relatable one. Diba? Na nakita naman natin yung kwento na two broken people, diba? Na magkikita ulit. Tapos may, syempre diba, sa relationship naman kapag natatapos siya, may galit, may sakit, diba? At ang tanong talaga, may magmamahal pa ba? Diba? So yun. So ang daming what ifs. Pero ang dulong tanong, what now? Diba? After all that what ifs. Anong gagawin? So yun.
Ayun. Thank you, Miss Crystal. Of course, tatanungin na rin natin ang ating director.